Guys, what's up? So today we should top patch 13, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14. The first tweet is called Cellular OTA. It allows downloading OTA updates over cellular. This uses a theme called Escher Vagan Nanza sits in one. And that's what it looks like. So don't miss out on a theme with impressive icons. Even more news is a theme that everyone wants to have for the support and updates. So that's pretty cool. This is called Buyer Protect ets iOS 12 and 13. It puts a passcode or Touch ID, Face ID, or like some kind of number passcode or whatever on your apps as like an extra layer of security protection. So pretty cool. I made a video separately. I made a video individually on this tweak on my Apple Tech Stop channel. So so it does cost $2.99, and it was updated to address a potential issue with substitute and adds iOS 14.x support. This is called LS Contact, which is lock screen contact bar right from your lock screen. With this new update version 3.0, it now allows you to view your contacts from anywhere. This is called Quick CC Dismiss, so Quick Control Center Dismiss. Quickly dismiss Control Center from expanded modules without having to close them first. This is called Zephy. It's version 1.3. 0.4 is now out. It took a lot more work than I expected, so with this tweak, absolutely zero click to play automatically from Spotify. This is called Adele Alene, and screenshot tweak has superpowers, so this tweak allows you to screenshot with ease. So you can double click the menu button to take a screenshot. This is called FIDA for 812 Plus devices, also FIDA for pre-812 devices, and just JavaScript to explore iOS apps over USB. This is called Yokomiru, animate and pin your notifications. This is called Twitter Theme Support, adds theme support for the Twitter app. This is called Shortmoji, the ultimate keyboard tweak that iOS never had. So also Shortmoji did add a shortcut for copy pasta tweak, which is on repo, which is the repo miro92.com/repo. This week's called Live River. Sorry guys, I've been up all day. School, work. So general purpose injection and hooking library for 64-bit devices. Next tweet is called Emoji Attributes, various underhood fixes for emoji display. This is called Tab Blocker, blocking new advertisement tabs and more. So a lot of times when I try to watch a video, open certain pages, web pages that contain a lot of ads, I get to redirect to a tab directly. This will ask you if you want that basic web page to open up in a new tab. So this is called App Firewall, iOS 10 to 13. Take control of your app's network access with App Firewall, intercepts outbound connections and prompts for your permission before continuing, similar to iOS other permissions. This is called Confirm Pasteboard, and confirm before accessing the clipboard. And the last tweak is called Privacy Tools Beta. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.